a mini toggle clasp, and let's try it with a tiny chain bracelet. This is a mini. I use the gold color. Yeah. So mini. Let's see the chain. Use a very small cute chain to try. Very mini clasp. I just use a mini paper clip. Just the paper clip we used it before. Here, I cut it 6.5 inch. And I'm going to use the smaller size jump ring. This size jump ring. Very mini toggle clasp is a cute piece. It's for some people who love the delicate design. Mini clasp with a cute flower. Necked. What's the necked mini? I mean, it's very thin and small. So here. So let's compare the no close. Let's compare with the toggle clasp before we have. It's suited for someone who love the mini piece. If you have the toggle, you can see the difference. This one, the toggle is for some, normal. This one is for the super cute piece. Yeah, it's for the super cute piece of the toggle. Yeah. Okay, so different. See. Yeah, I just